continuing with the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. And today we're making cranberry salsa. I know it might not be cranberry season or like a Thanksgiving type.
I love cranberry salsa anytime.
That's why we're doing it now. Like, I don't know when we're going to post this, but we love cranberries. And you can buy them frozen, you can buy them fresh. And this recipe works every time. I came upon it at a Christmas party that an Australian friend of mine was hosting, and I thought how funny that this person who lives where cranberries don't grow down under has this wonderful recipe. Anyway, it's in our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook, and it's on page 121, if you're following along, and it is 12 ounces.
Put this on just plain rice. If your rice is feeling bare, it's wonderful on rice and beans. If you have Jane does the potato bar. It's a little
scallions go into this. We have to have half of a jalapeno pepper, and it sounds like it makes it hot, and it doesn't. It kind of it balances out the tart and the sweet and the maple syrup. And I need the maple syrup. Lime press, because it takes 1 lime's juice, and I love my lime citrus. You like a reamer, I like the press. And this just gets it all in there. Do you have half of that ready to go? Oh, you do. Awesome. Let me move the maple syrup thing. Here, you like to make maple syrup bowls. Throw that in. Thank you. And then we're just going to whisk this up. This also calls for cilantro. If you know you're not going to offend any people who would have loved your cranberry salsa with flavor of cilantro. I prefer this coarsely chopped. And
but even if you blow it and don't cook it, don't do it coarsely, it's still delicious.
Oh, it's like a relish then. Cranberry relish. And so when it's frozen, it looks that pinkish color, and it tastes like some sort of raspberry or sorbet. I like to taste it just right out of the mouth. All right, so this is kind of, I guess
it's a little coarse.
It's a little coarse. I'll do it 1 or 2 more times, but I really,
even like that, it would
love. Be good. Yeah. So here it is, and just for a quick idea of how you could have this, let's get that bowl, the clear bowl. How you could serve this is have it with some crispy pita chips. We just did a post about crispy pita chips, and
one of the things that we do,
I discovered it at the party.
Every Christmas we have a Christmas carol party at our house for all our neighborhood, and Jane and I make our wonderful, what do they call, pepper ridge sandwiches.
Yeah.
And we cut the crusts off the bread, and we toast them, and we put them in a bowl, and we have the
They look like little cigars, little toasty cigars.
The cranberry salsa's there, and I mean, it isn't particularly pretty, but it is so delicious.
No, the crusts aren't pretty.
The crusts aren't pretty, but the cranberry. Oh, I can't wait.
Okay, have a bite. Hey, cheers, happy holidays.
Oh, hi. I couldn't wait.
Double dipping she is.
I turned it around.
Oh, cheers, happy holidays. Or whatever holiday it is. This might be in April. All right, go enjoy your cranberry salsa. Bye.
Bye.